Welcome to this GoBright functional configuration video covering visit configuration. In this video we will discuss the first configuration. Before we go into the settings menu and to visit, we need to actually set the location that we want the visitor management license to apply to. So we need to go to settings and we need to go to general. We can then go over to locations and we can pick the location we actually want. Then we've got the choice as a tick box to say that visitor kiosk is enabled. And I can save. Notice in this case we've applied it to the office as general and not a particular floor. If we now go into settings and we come down to visit, we've got the default configuration, but I'm going to create a new configuration for this particular office. And we're going to look at the language. I'm going to change the language. And I'm just going to move it up to the top by dragging to make that my default language. And I could delete the US if I wanted to. Down to locations, I can now choose the office that has the location associated to it. And now it's a matter of the fields. These are the default fields that come with the system. So we've got name, email address, phone number, company name and license plate. I'm going to actually just add in another field and I'm just going to put that as staff. And we've got a visualization. So if we wanted a custom view, then we could be putting in a logo as well as our title. So we could be saying welcome to GoBright, and we can have a custom message. And we could choose when we want the data to be deleted. So that's the main configuration actually set. So I'm going to save. And if we go back to our list, then we've got that configuration. Thank you for watching this GoBright functional support video. If further support is required, please go to our website gobright.com and visit our help centre.